Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Everybody. निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल। निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल। जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 प्रभुपाद। जय जय गुरुदेव 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 गुरुदेव। जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्रजाचार्य अष्टोत्तर शतर श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्री प्रभुपाद की जय। ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्रजाचार्य अष्टोत्तर शतर श्रीमती भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद की अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की नामाचार्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुर की प्रेम से कहो जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की श्री श्री गोप गोपीनाथ श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड गिरि गोवर्धन की मथुरा धाम की द्वारिका धाम की द्वारिकाधीश की पुरुषोत्तम क्षेत्र जगन्नाथपुरी धाम की जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा मैया की अयोध्यापुरी धाम की सीताराम लक्ष्मण हनुमान की नवदीप मायापुर धाम की गौरांग निताय महाप्रभु की युग धर्म नाम संकीर्तन की। ऑल ग्लोरीज टू असेंबल्ड डिवोटी ऑल ग्लोरीज टू असेंबल्ड डिवोटी ऑल ग्लोरीज टू श्री गुरु एंड श्री गौरांग। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम राम। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तमा श्लोके भक्तिर्भवती नैष्टिकी। कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवके नंदनाय च नंद गोपकुमाराय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। नमो पंकजनाभाय नमो पंकजमालिने नमो पंकजनेत्राय नमस्ते पंकजांग्रये। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। श्री श्री राधारास बिहारी भगवान के, ललिता सखी विशाखा माता के, गिरिराज गोवर्धन महाराज के, सीता राम लक्ष्मण हनुमान के, गौरांग निताय महाप्रभु के, शील प्रभुपाद के, प्रीतिवर्धनम संडे लेक्चर के, शील महाप्रभु के, गौरांग महाप्रभु के, हरि हरि बोल। So the echo is there, better we can reduce the echo. To revive our Sunday English lecture with the efforts of the management, we are trying to revive our English class again. And in this effort, we have started the Preeti Vardhanam English program. Today is a very, very auspicious day. Vrindavan Das Thakur Tirobhav Divas. And Chaitanya Bhagavat is the author of, उनके हाथों के द्वारा हमें चैतन्य भागवत मिला. कृष्णदास कविराज wrote चैतन्य चरितामृता. Chaitanya Bhagavat is basically the pastimes from childhood to 24 age of 24. Later part, we are able to get it from Chaitanya Charitamrita, which is written by Krishnadas Kaviraj. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu basically came to give devotion. The only purpose, when Lord told in Bhagavad Gita, Sarva dharman parityajya mam ekam sharanam braja aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshashyami ma sucha. He told to surrender. आप मेरे शरण में आ जाओ. But how to do that surrender? How to perform the bhakti? To show that bhakti, Lord himself took the bhav of Radharani. This is the only incarnation where if somebody said that you are God, Lord used to put his finger in his ears and say, no, Vishnu, Vishnu, Vishnu. I am Das, Das, Dasanudas. But there are some incidents in Mahaprabhu's life where he showed the opulence and Vaibhava and Bhagavat Prakash. Like this is one of the Leela in the Madhya Khanda of Chaitanya Bhagavata, chapter number 9 and 10. Chaitanya Bhagavata, chapter number 9 and 10. Where Mahaprabhu is showing the Bhagavat, like in Arjuna was shown the Virat Rupa and Arjuna surrendered. Similarly, Mahaprabhu sat on the throne of Srinivas Acharya altar and showed the Bhagavat Rupa to everybody. And this Leela went up to 21 hours. 21 hours. 21 घंटा महाप्रकाश लीला चली थी चैतन्य महाप्रभु की. क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि महाप्रभु ने अपने जीवन में कौन से भगवत प्रकाश किए थे? कैन यू टेल मी विच प्लेसेस लॉर्ड शोड हिज भगवत प्रकाश? चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने अपना भगवत प्रकाश बताया. Yes, he took up the Sudarshan Chakra to kill him, right? Which other place? Shadabhuja, Swarupa, Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya, right? Huh? Yes, yes. There also he showed his Bhagavad Swarupa. Where else? He showed the Brahma Rupa, where the effulgence, he was sitting down and he started animating the Brahma Rupa from where the shoes were there. At that place he was sitting, and from there, the Brahma Tej was coming, and he got attracted. Huh? Yes. He was scared about the Kazis coming and attacking. Yes. And he took the Narsingadeva avatar and he ran in the market. Huh? No, this is what is going to come. So this Mahaprakash Leela is one of that Leela. See what happened? In Nadia, every day from morning to evening the Kirtan was going on. But one day Mahaprabhu decided, why we should sleep at night? What? It is useless to sleep at night. It's better we do 1 year entire night Kirtan. What? एक साल पूरा नाइट में भी कीर्तन करते रहेंगे. And it is there where this Leela of Mahaprakash was there in Srinivas Pandit house. Everybody, and see, one thing is you should understand. In Srinivas Angan or Srinivas Pandit house, only confidential people were there with him. It was not open for all. ये सबों के लिए ओपन नहीं रखा था चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने रात का कीर्तन. खाली अपने खास भक्तों के साथ में पूरे रात वहां पे कीर्तन करते थे चैतन्य महाप्रभु. Then this devotees used to tell the confidential devotees, you are Lord himself. But Lord used to say, no, I'm not this, I'm not this, I'm not this, I'm not Lord. But in one day, one night, this Leela, when Lord wanted to fulfill the desire of everybody, the tremendous Kirtan was going on. And in that Avesh Bhav of Kirtan, Lord went to the altar of Srinivas Pandit, and there were all Shaligram Shilas. He removed the Shaligram Shila. And he sat on the altar. Nityananda Mahaprabhu came and he stood and took up the umbrella and he is standing up on Chhatra. And Mahaprabhu is telling, please do the Abhishek. So everybody understood the mood of Mahaprabhu. They were so happy that Lord is revealing himself, the actual bhava of the Lord. And immediately understanding the mood of Mahaprabhu, they started bringing pots and pots of Gangajal. Gangajal is, Ganga is just next to there. And all the Gangajal's pot was brought. And hundreds of pots were brought, and Abhishek was done of Mahaprabhu. Abhishek was done with milk, everything. And it was happening very wonderfully. Aarti was done, Chandan Lep was applied, and Mahaprabhu was taking all the opulence, all the paraphernalias which were offered in the Abhishekam on himself. And then, offering had to be given. Lord said, please give me offerings. So, pots and pots of Gangajal waters were brought. And it is said thousands and thousands of pots were brought, and within a minute, Lord drank everything. Because now Lord had taken the form of Lord. This 21 hours he left the position of a devotee and he has become a Lord. And here he drank immediately. What? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram. So he drank immediately, like Govardhan Leela. Everybody was bringing lot of things. Anyar, whatever was put in front of Govardhan Maharaj, it immediately disappeared. So the same Leela Mahaprabhu performed. Kheer was brought, pots and pots of kheer was brought, rice was brought, halwa was brought, everything was brought, and immediately Mahaprabhu ate. Everybody was astonished. Please bring more. What? So he came in the Avesh of Bhagavat Avesh. And he was drinking. I was listening. From last many days I am listening this Mahaprakash Leela from His Holiness Radhanath Maharaj lectures from the olden days. And whatever I am speaking is just 1%. What? Of what I have heard. But from last 6 days, when I was listening this Mahaprakash Leela, I went into ecstasy. After listening to the bhava which Mahaprabhu was, because only confidential associates were there, and how Lord is praising the devotees and devotees are praising the Lord. How great Lord is revealing and is ready to give everything to His devotees. And devotees are such things that they do not want anything in return. They do not want anything in return. And that is the beauty of this Mahaprakash Leela. Lord is becoming like Lord because they knew that He is Lord, but He has come in the form of a devotee. So, when all the prasad was brought, Lord immediately drank it, the kheer was taken, the curd was taken, rice was taken. Radhanath Maharaj, what he was saying? If somebody says that they are God, bring all this pot and put it in their belly. उनका belly बाहर निकल जाए. क्या हो जाएगा? फट जाएगा उनका belly. So some people who say that they are God, they should prove. They should eat like this. Tons and tons of waters, tons and tons of kheer, and tons pot of everything. जो भगवान कहते हैं उसके मुंह में डालो. और प्रूफ करो, उनका पेट बाहर आना चाहिए. That is what Maharaj was saying in the lecture. So, then Mahaprabhu came in the mood of Dayavan. Ekdam bhav vibhor. And then he saw, Mahaprabhu saw one lady who was a very simple lady, illiterate lady, who was helping Srinivas Pandit and their family in bringing the water from the Ganga. Her name was Dukhi. What was his name? Dukhi. Why a girl is called as Dukhi when their father, mother dies and she is left alone in the house? तो उसका नाम पड़ जाता है Dukhi. Mahaprabhu called her through Srinivas Pandit and told what is her name? Dukhi. What is her? La Mahaprabhu touched her and blessed her. From today, I bless you, devotional service, and from today, your name will be Sukhi. She गदगद हो गई, धारा बहने लग गई आंसू की, और प्रेम का अश्रु बह गया, खाली आशीर्वाद के द्वारा. And in this entire episode, Maharaj says one thing, कि भक्ति आपके दो वस्तु से चलती है, एक आपके प्रयास और एक कृपा. And in this Leela, how Mahaprabhu, who is not qualified, there are certain people who are not qualified. At the end of this Leela, there is one small child, just 3-4 साल की बेबी है. And Mahaprabhu showed a causeless mercy on that child. बोल नहीं पा रही है, कुछ नहीं कर पा रही है. Mahaprabhu ate something and gave to her and बोला chant Krishna Krishna Krishna. She started dancing, chanting and crying in front of everybody. And Maharaj is saying, this is kripa. क्या बोल रहे? इसे कहते हैं कृपा. हम भक्ति कर रहे हैं कृपा प्राप्त करने के लिए. ये कभी ना कभी भगवान की हम पर कृपा, वैष्णवों की कृपा और भक्तों की कृपा हो जाए. So Mahaprabhu has come in the form of Radharani to give us kripa. So that Dukhi became Sukhi, and she was an illiterate girl, illiterate woman. She had no qualification. The only qualification that attracted Lord, service of Vaishnavas. She was serving what? Other Vaishnavas in helping them the Lord. That was the quality that attracted Mahaprabhu. And that's why Mahaprabhu told you from today would be termed as Sukhi. Then Gangadhar, Gangadhar Das, who is the teacher of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, where he learned, childhood things. He called Gangadhar. Now Lord is revealing as a Lord to him. Do you remember one night when these Muslims came and they were attacking you? They attacked your house. They wanted to rob everything from your house. They wanted to rape your children. And you were in such a terrible situation that time that you had no hope and you were running with your family. Nobody knows this incident, Mahaprabhu is saying to everybody. Only you know that. And you were literally crying for help. And at one point you came to the shore of Ganga in mid of night, 12 o'clock. And you were seeing that all this gang is coming behind you. And there was no way that you will be able to cross the Ganga. And suddenly you were crying. And that time, from nowhere, a boatman came. क्या आया? रात के 12 बजे. कहां से आ गया बोटमैन? नहीं मालूम. Mahaprabhu is revealing the story to Gangadhar. At 12 o'clock, that boatman came and took you and helped you cross the river, and you and your family was saved. You know why I am able to remember? Because I was that boatman. Mahaprabhu is saying, I came to save you that day. So from this Leela we understand, when devotees are in the problem, some or other way, Lord sends some help here or there, and devotees get out of that problem. We have to understand that it is the mercy of Mahaprabhu. भगवान ने हमारा काम कहीं ना कहीं से अपना काम पार करवाया है. और ये एक्सपीरियंस हम भक्तों को बहुत बार हुआ है, बहुत बार हुआ है कि भगवान ने हमारा काम पार करवा दिया. So Lord is revealing certain pastimes in this Leela which nobody else knew. And then Mahaprabhu is telling the devotees, all the devotees, go and call Kolavecha Sridhar. What? Where is he? He is at the end of this village. How we will find? Where is he? When you go over there, you don't have to find any direction. Kolavecha Sridhar was such an insignificant character that people also didn't knew his name. His name is Sridhar. Only he knew that he is a Kolavecha. केले का पत्ता बेचने वाला है, केले का सामान बेचने वाला एक. They only knew as a Kolavecha. And the problem with the Kolavecha is that entire night he used to chant Kirtan. He used to do Kirtan of the Lord's name loudly, loudly. और आजू बाजू वाले लोग जो थे ना, वो इतना गुस्सा हो जाते थे. And they used to blame him. ये ढोंग कर रहा. क्या कर रहा है? He is doing ढोंग. If he had been a real devotee, why would he be so poor? इतना गरीब कैसे होता था अगर ये सच्चा भक्त होता तो? इसको भूख लगा है. क्या लगा? इसलिए रात को चिल्ला रहा है, Krishna, So these people used to throw some food on them. खा और चुप हो. That was the position of the neighbors of Kolavecha Sridhar. Every day, Mahaprabhu, hours every day without fail. Lord used to spend few hours with Kolavecha, only bargaining. What? Bargaining for kela patta and kela. Lord used to say, you are biggest cheater. And Mahaprabhu in the Mahaprakash Leela says that he was honest like Yudhishthir Maharaj in dealing his business. Every day, whatever he used to get, as soon as he used to get some money, 50%, every day without fail, whatever money he used to get, he used to purchase the paraphernalia for the puja for Ganga Mata from his money. आधा पैसा गंगा जी के सेवा में रोज बिना कोई किए कुछ भी मिला उसमें से आधा पैसा वो क्या कर देता था? गंगा जी के लिए निकाल देता था. महाप्रभु कहते यू आर बिगेस्ट चोर. When he used to go and argue, Mahaprabhu showed in the Leela that he was a Gwal in Gwala Mitra. He is one of the Gwala Mitra of the Lord. He showed in the Mahaprakash Leela when he was brought. So Mahaprabhu is speaking about the things. Why? What is Kolavecha? Mahaprabhu used to say, I will only, just for the sake of argument, Mahaprabhu used to go every day. You are cheater, you are charging more. Kya? You have more than 100% profit. So I will take it free from you. What? You have to give me free. Well, then, no, I am honest. I am charging very few amount. Then, no, you are charging double. Otherwise, how is it possible that 50% you are spending on Ganga? And I know you have some hidden treasure. तो मेरे पास कहाँ treasure है भाई? But I will reveal it one day. Mahaprabhu says, the time will come, I will reveal to everybody the real treasure that you have. So, that day, every day without fail, Mahaprabhu, the food that Sachi Mata used to serve, he used to eat in that banana only which was taken from Kolavecha. Kolavecha के जो पत्ता मिलता था उसी पत्ते में रोज महाप्रभु अन्न ग्रहण करते थे. That was the position. And hours, Lord used to purposely argue with him. He says that if you can give 50% to Ganga, then you should give me 100%, 50% to me also, because I am the father of Ganga. But Shiv, Arey Bapre, what are you saying? Now I will not give you. Who is saying? How can you say that you are father of Ganga? Huh? आप ऐसा कैसे बोल सकते हो आप फादर हो गंगा के? No, now I will not give you. This way, the argument is to go between Kulavecha and Lord. And ultimately बाद में बोलता है ठीक है यार आप लेके जाओ, but मेरे को काम करने दो. And this used to go every day Kulavecha. So when the devotees went to find out Kulavecha that night, they was just as Mahaprabhu told, at the corner of the village, जहां से आवाज आ रही है, किसकी आवाज? क्योंकि it was in the night time ना, जिस घर से कृष्ण की कीर्तन की आवाज आ रही उसी घर में आप चले जाना. And they went in that direction only, and that is how they were able to find Kulavecha Sridhar, where he was chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Huh? He was chanting. And we should understand how poor Kulavecha was. It is said he had इतनी ऐसी झुपड़ी थी जिसमें से मतलब छत नहीं था, उसमें छत भी नहीं थी बराबर, और इन सो स्मॉल प्लेस ही वॉज लिविंग. सो money is not the criteria. A poorest person also can do a devotional service. And here one thing, nobody knew his name also. He was such an insignificant character in this entire area. But Mahaprabhu loved him and called him. What? Mahaprabhu loved him and called him. He says, call him. I want to give him today everything. What? I want to give him everything. So when he heard that Mahaprabhu is calling and he is the Lord himself, and Kulavecha at the night time when he heard Mahaprabhu's calling, he fainted. What he? In the Bhav Vibhor he fainted. It was the devotees who had to pick him up and bring it to the Srinivas Pandit house. And as soon as he was brought at the feet, Mahaprabhu touched him, he regained the consciousness. And as soon as Kulavecha regained the consciousness, Lord took Krishna Balram form. What? In front of Vrindavan mein hamare Krishna Balram hai na? The same form Lord took. Nityanand Mahaprabhu became Balaram and Lord became Shyama Sundar. And the cows are there, all the gopas are there, and everything, all the Vrindavan scene he is able to see. He is seeing Mahaprabhu transforming himself in Shyama Sundar, Krishna. Nityananda Mahaprabhu transforming himself in Balaram form. And everybody, cowherd boys and all the Gwal boys he is able to see. Kulavecha Sridhar in the altar. And seeing this, he again fainted. And what he saw, most important thing, Lord revealed that you are one of my Gwal. You are my friend, eternal friend in my pastime. And now I have given you a role of a Kulavecha over here. Seeing all these things, the tears were flowing from the eyes. He caught hold of Mahaprabhu's feet, who was sitting on the, and Mahaprabhu touched him. He regained in consciousness, and Mahaprabhu told, please offer me some prayers. What? You offer some prayers. He says, how can I offer? I am illiterate. I do not know anything. That don't worry. From your heart, speak out. Saraswati Devi will sit on your tongue and she will speak. And Mahaprabhu blessed him. And as Mahaprabhu blessed him, he started speaking, the stutis. And he said in the stuti, "Hey Lord, you have come only to give devotion. You have come only to give devotion to the devotees. And the beauty of this devotion is that you give devotion to the devotees, and then devotees take that devotion, and through that devotion they bind you. What? And you yourself get defeated in the hand of devotees. You got defeated in the hand of Bhishma Dev. What? Bhishma Dev promised. Kolavecha is speaking all these things in front of everybody. Bhishma Dev promised that you will have to pick up, the astra. You will have to break today the promise to protect. And to keep the promise of Bhishma Dev, you took up the Ratha. You get binded by Yashoda out of love. Huh? You become a Partha Sarthi and you start driving. You get defeated. Huh? You, in the Gwalbal Leela, you get, you lose, and then you pick us up on our shoulder and you run us. So he's remembering all that thing, that out of love, how the Lord gets defeated. And he's speaking on and speaking on. And ultimately, Mahaprabhu says, very happy with the stutis. And then Mahaprabhu says, I want to give you something. I want to give you whatever you like. Then he says, no, I don't want anything. At that time, Lord says, you are so poor, I will make you the richest person in this universe. I don't want money. It is a big headache. What does he say? It is a big headache. I don't want money. Okay. Then I will give you Ashta Siddhi. What? All the 8 Siddhis are there. I will give you. बोलते हैं, if you give me that Ashta Siddhi, it will create an ego and it will create a problem. It agitate me more. What? I don't want. It will, more agitation will come. Then he told me, then Lord said, okay, I will give you the upper loka because you don't have anything. बोलता है, no, I'm happy over here. बोलता है, यही ठीक है मेरे लिए. And then Lord is saying, please take something. What? Please take something from me. I want to give to you. Whatever you demand, I will give you. The position in 3 lokas. He said, no, I am not happy. Then he says, Lord, I am not a businessman. Businessman लोग जो होते हैं ना, वो लेन देन का धंधा करते हैं. I am not doing seva for you for some reason. I am doing out of love. So Lord was getting more and more agitated. Then says, Lord, you be Shant, that will be more happy for me. Yeah? आप शांत हो जाओ. But Lord is saying, I want to give to you. What? I want to give to you. Then he says, if something you want to give to me, which will please me, I only request that please make me Das, Dasanu, Das. I do not want anything other than these blessings. And one other desire is there. In life after life, I only one request is there, that in each and every life, you should come as a Nimai, and every day you should try to do argument with me, and you should steal my kola, my patta from me. That is my vardhan that I want from you. That each and every life I will be, because whenever you are not there, I always see at that part when Nimai will come. But time pass to ho jayega. So I want that from you, that each and every life I would be remembering you. You should come and you should steal and you should argue with me and take my patta from me. Haribo. So after finishing with the Kola Vecha, then Mahaprabhu turned to Advaita Acharya. Advaita Acharya. We know Advaita Acharya is Mahavishnu and Sadashiv himself. And, he had prayed a lot. Mahaprabhu, Advaita Acharya had prayed. So much he had prayed for the incarnation of the Lord. For the incarnation of the Lord, he had prayed. We will continue up to 2, because this Leela is there. For 15-20 minutes this Leela will go. Then Mahaprabhu told to Advaita Acharya, Advaita Acharya, you prayed and that's why I came. But do you remember, whenever you used to give Bhagavad Gita shlokas meaning, you always used to connect it with bhakti meaning, with the meaning of devotional service. And if you were not able to connect that shloka with the bhakti meaning, you will get agitated and you will do upvas. And you will not be able to sleep that night. So one night when you were agitated, nobody knows this pastime. So Mahaprabhu is saying, I came and then I explained you that meaning of that shloka, and then you were able to understand and then you were able to eat. Advaita Acharya is saying, Prabhu, whatever my desires, everything has been fulfilled. I do not want anything from me. You have fulfilled just by giving and inaugurating this holy name. And my desire to bring you has been fulfilled. I do not want anything from you. Mahaprabhu then sees Murari Gupta. Kisko? Murari Gupta is there. Haridas Thakur is there. Srinivas Acharya is there. And then Mukund Datta is there. So there are 3 peoples whom Mahaprabhu is revealing. So when Murari Gupta, who is a doctor, who is playing a role of and he is always worshipping Sitaram Lakshman Hanuman, right? So Murari Gupta, when Mahaprabhu saw in that Leela, Mahaprabhu told and immediately took the form of green, he said green, Ramji, Sita, Lakshman. And he was able to see, Murari Gupta, entire Vanar Sena. First, Lord took the form of Shyamasundar on the altar. Now he took the form of Sita, Ram, Lakshmana. And Murari Gupta is seeing himself and he is transformed into a monkey and he has a tail. He has a... उनको अपनी पूंछ दिखाई पड़ रही है. किसको? मुरारी गुप्ता को. And Lord is saying, do you remember? You are Hanuman. You brought that Gandhamadhav mountain, lifting with your one hand. When the Lakshman is here, Nityananda is Lakshman. And you brought that mountain. And you revived Lakshmanji. And this is Sita Mata, whom when you saw in the Ravana, Ashoka Vatika, you are literally crying, seeing the situation. You are the same Hanuman. What do you want? That time, Hanumanji, he got, पहली बात तो वो बेहोश हो गए थे. क्या हो गए थे? मुरारी गुप्ता. वो बेहोश हो गए. Then he revived. Lord again revived. Everybody gets unconscious. Unconscious at the altar, at the feet of Lord. Then Lord revives them. The same thing happened with Murari Gupta. And Murari Gupta then telling only one thing. Lord, life after life. What? I only have one desire. That I should eternally glorify you. What? मैं आपके गुणों का कीर्तन करते रहूं. I want eternally glorifying you, and I want to become servant of a servant of a servant. And give me blessing that I should be always in the association of the devotees who think that you to be master and themselves to be servant. I want to be in association of that people, and I want to become their servant. I want to become their servant. And eternally I should be glorifying you. That is what Murari Gupta asked for. Then the turn came of Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur का turn जब आया तो महाप्रभु saying that your body is greater than me. Huh? Your body is greater than me. And Lord reminded him that when you were beaten, why you were beaten, because you had not left the holy name. The Hindus were saying कि ये मुसलमान है और मुसलमान होते हुए हमारे वेदों का मंत्र कैसे ले रहा है, और मुसलमान कहता है कि ये मुसलमान होते हुए हिंदुओं का मंत्र क्यों ले रहा है. So both of them went to the Kazi, and there the Kazi had ordered that he should be beaten to death. There were 22 markets. 22 मार्केट में उसको मारते मारते लेके जाओ. Mahaprabhu is talking all these things to Haridas Thakur. And Haridas Thakur, when they were beating you, that time only I had taken up the Sudarshan. I wanted to kill these people immediately at that time. But that time you started praying, cryingly praying. What you prayed? Lord, please forgive them. Please forgive them. Please forgive them. So your compassion for that people, my Sudarshan Chakra became useless. I was not able to give them because your sincere compassion for them that you should forgive them. But I had to protect you. So I covered myself upon you, and all the beatings which were coming on your body, I was getting, and Lord showed on behind in the Mahaprabhu's Leela how much beating I got. Seeing this, Haridas Thakur fainted. The pura maar Lord has taken. Itna maar. And when Haridas Thakur came out of that, again Lord touched and he got up. And he started crying profusely. Profusely he started crying. And he's saying, "Okay, Lord, Ajamil, Draupadi, when she was taken in the Sabha and she was disrobed, she called you, literally called you. Cryingly she called you, and you immediately came in the form of Vasra and saved her. When 60,000 rishis with Durvasa came in the forest, that time also Yudhishthir got stuck. And they were literally, Draupadi Mata was crying, and that time you came, immediately came because of the intensity of calling. Intensity of calling. Ajamil, at the time of death, with that intensity he was calling. But hey Mahaprabhu, I am so unfortunate. I can't remember you with that intensity. I am not able to remember you with that intensity, and I am not able to remember you at all. How unfortunate I am. But then also, you are so merciful that such a fallen person like me, you have taken all the beatings. Mahaprabhu is glorifying in front that this person, every day he used to chant, 1 lakh names, 3 lakhs, sorry, 3 lakhs name of the Lord. Mahaprabhu is saying this in Mahaprakash Leela to everybody. And he proclaimed that, hey Haridas, from today I proclaimed, मैं आपके हृदय में हमेशा बंदी बन के रहूंगा. I'll stay always in your heart, in your prison. And whoever recalls our pastime, this pastime, I will give them Shuddha Bhakti. After this, Mahaprabhu called, Mukunda Datta. Who? Mukunda Datta is a singer. And everybody is saying, why you are not calling Mukunda Datta? Who? So, Mukunda Datta, Lord told he is a duplicate cheater. Because sometime he does devotional service, sometime he goes with Mayavadi. वो इधर का पार्टी का भी है, उधर का पार्टी का भी है. When one day Mahaprabhu says, I was very upset with him, so I didn't wanted to see Mukunda's face. All this is telling there. Why? Because he was going with Mayavadis. He was sitting here also and there also. So devotees came and told, when you will be able to see Mukunda Datta, that 10 लाख जन्मों के बाद मैं उसको दर्शन दूंगा. कितने लाख? 10 लाख जन्मों के बाद I'll give you the darshan. And then Mukunda, who was crying because Mahaprabhu didn't want to see his face, but when he heard that after 10 lakh janma, Mahaprabhu will give me darshan, he started dancing. That at least 10 lakh janmों के बाद तो मेरा नंबर लगेगा. How many? 10 lakhs. And he was dancing. And all the devotees going and telling Mahaprabhu, he is dancing. Why he is dancing? Because आपने बोला 10 लाख जन्मों के बाद उसको दर्शन मिलेगा. So seeing that intensity is dancing, Mahaprabhu understand the bhava, the patience. He realized his mistake. And Mahaprabhu call him. क्या है? तो जब उसको बुलाने गए तो बोले 10 लाख जन्मों के बाद, 10 लाख जन्मों के बाद. I'll wait for 10 lakh janma. Mahaprabhu calls him and gives the benediction. At that time, Mukunda says, Hiranyakashipu had seen the Nrsimha Roop, but he had no love for you. I am of that category. What? I am of that category that in spite of seeing you, I go to sometime Mayavadi people. What? Hiranyaksh, seeing you on the Vara Rupa, he had no love for you. He wanted to kill you. Duryodhan, you showed the Virat Rupa. भगवान ने विराट रूप दिखाया, मगर उसका कोई भाव ही नहीं आया उसमें. So I fall in that category. Who is saying? Mukunda Datta. I do not know how merciful you are that you decided to give me darshan after 10 lakhs. 10 लाख जन्मों के बाद भी आपने decide किया. How merciful you are. But I am of that category. All the asuras, you have given darshan. But they do not want, उनका कोई change ही नहीं होता. I am that type of asura. Who is saying? कि भगवान का दर्शन लेने के बाद भी हमारे अंदर कोई भाव चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. But see to Kubja, what? She gave everything. She gave everything. She to the Dwarka Vasis, the ladies, when they saw, their bhav was so exciting in seeing you. But when that bhav will come in me, I do not know. But today, I really say that I am feeling happy now after your mercy when you touched me. Now I am feeling more happy to take your darshan. I do not know how it is happening, but it is all your mercy that I am feeling that happiness which others were having. So in this way, Mukundas, through when he was speaking, Mahaprabhu says, whenever, one another thing, sorry, I forgot to tell you. हरिदास ठाकुर को भी भगवान ने बोला कि आपको क्या चाहिए मांगो. क्या बोला? Because he's come in the form of Lord. He बोलता I do not want anything. क्या बोले? हनुमान जी ने मांगा कि ग्लोरिफिकेशन करना है और भक्तों का संग. हरिदास ठाकुर asked one thing, that if you really want, Lord, to give me, I only want that in life after life after life, I get devotees remnant from all the devotees. क्या? भक्तों के उच्छिष्ट का प्रसाद मुझे खाली मिलना चाहिए, वो मेरे को व्यवस्था करके दे दो. And then he's crying, this is the most exalted position I am asking, but I want this Mahaprasad from the devotees. That is what Haridas Thakur is saying. For Mukunda, Lord said, wherever you will be doing kirtan, what? From now on, I will be there in all the kirtan with you. And whomever you touched during the kirtan time, he will get the bhakti. That is my ashirwad to you. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. So in a short form, थोड़ा सा मैंने ये लीला थोड़ा एकदम कंप्राइज किया हूं. मैं 7 दिन से ये लीला सुन रहा हूं, मैं जो आपको 45 मिनट्स में सुना है. बट Maharaj speaking and Maharaj going in that bhava, it is a different level. आप ये कभी सुनोगे कि कैसे they were reacting, all that bhava that was coming so high, इतने उच्च कोटि के भक्त. And when they are asked what you want, they are always saying, I want to become Dasanudas. I want you to come in each and every life to steal my banana. Murari Gupta is saying, I only want to glorify you and always be wanting to be in the association of devotees. Haridas Thakur is saying that he wants only the remnants and want to become Dasanudas. Mukunda is saying, give me that power that I will always singing your kirtan amongst the devotees. And Lord is saying, wherever you do the kirtan, I will be always there. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare. So let us take 5 minutes recap. What are the important things that we learned, and what are the any questions and comments on the Mahaprakash Leela? Yes, Prabhu.
I mean, we were lucky this time we could go to the forest where Puravathi Sridhar.
Yes, in Mayapur, and that house was there. So small house. Huh? That Mahaprabhu, he is a Gwalwal. He is unknown to the devotees. But every night he used to do kirtan. Huh? He had no money. He was in a pathetic condition. And he was literally unknown. And the people were shouting on him. But Lord took the notice of his devotion and he called and he blessed him. That is more important. Huh? Yes?
And his desire was, he said, every life I will become the banana seller.
Uh-huh.
You negotiate with me and you purchase
That is only. Lord is saying, I will give you Ashtasiddhi. I will give you a higher planet. I will give you money. He is saying it is an agitation problem. Yes, Prabhu?
In the Haridas Leela, the Lord accepted the confession of Haridas Thakur. But in Bhagavad Gita, he rejected of Arjuna.
He
Rejected the compassion of Arjuna.
He rejected the compassion of Arjuna, and there both roles are different, Prabhuji. He is a Kshatriya. His role is a Kshatriya role. He has come as a Namacharya. The roles are different. And in the role, there he had to actually fight. I always say, हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान का मैच हो रहा है, बॉक्सिंग का मैच हो रहा है, फाइनल आ गया है, रिंग बज गया है, सीटी बज गया है, और हिंदुस्तान का आदमी अगर आके बोले कि नहीं 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 मेरे को तो अभी फाइट नहीं करना है, मेरे को तो शांति चाहिए, मेरे को तो कंपैशन, मेरे को तो दया आ रही है इस पर, so that is not a right place for showing daya. But at the same time, that daya was shown to show the other side, Duryodhana's side. In the first chapter, Duryodhana's mentality and Arjuna mentality is shown just to show why this Mahabharata happened. As far as Namacharya case is concerned, he was showing compassion for the people who are beating them. And that's why Lord wanted to punish. Lord sent the Sudarshana. But it became useless against the sincere prayer of Haridas. Haridas bole कि नहीं, please. How can that compassion come? It can only come from a true devotee heart. Otherwise it will not come.
Why was he compassionate?
That is the nature of a devotee. Paradukhi dukhi. Paradukhi dukhi. And his role was to spread the Harinam, power of Harinam. It cannot be artificially done, Prabhu. All this will not come artificially. You have to stay with such devotees, then that devotion comes.
So devotee's nature should be compassionate, always.
It should be in line of parampara. Whatever a guru and parampara has done. Now we were reading this Srila Prabhupada book. He has no money in Delhi. He has not even 25 paisa. Kitna? In the pocket. The printer is saying. He is coming without breakfast in the morning to print the Back to Godhead magazine. He has no, it is so wintry that he doesn't have a scarf also. ठंडा इतना लग रहा है लेकिन ऊपर पहनने के लिए कान में स्कार्फ भी नहीं था. और आके वो बैक टू गॉडहेड का प्रूफ पढ़ रहे खाली पेट. क्या जरूर है ये सब करने की? It was that compassion for the Jivatmas that this message has to go. And my Guru Maharaj has told me, that's why I am doing that. That compassion was there in the heart of Srila Prabhupada. That's why he was able to establish this movement. And we are sitting over here because of that compassion of Srila Prabhupada. We all are sitting over here.
So, Prabhuji, desire is the root of compassion.
Huh?
Desire is the root of compassion.
Desire?
Desire.
Desire is the root of compassion? No. Service. Mood of service to other Jivatmas. Jivera Daya. What? Krishna Nam. Sarva Dharmasar.
So all Vaishnava devotees should be compassionate, right?
It has to be in line of the parampara. What they desire by the parampara, they will do that. अर्जुना को कंपैशन ने अर्जुना को उस टाइम पे बोला लड़ाई कर. शरय है तो उसको लड़ाई भी करना पड़ता है. But as far as Haridas Thakur is concerned, his role was Namacharya. That's why he showed full compassion. Okay? Any other question? Yes?
So as you mentioned about the story of Mukundatta, where he is willing to wait for a million lives.
Millions of life. करोड़ों साल
दुर्योधन जैसा इसके
हाँ
हम तो all we packed all in one. Prasadam, we got instruction from Guru Maharaj.
हाँ.
Why that? I mean, why it is not coming in?
वी आर ऑल इन अ प्रोसेस. आप और हम सब एक प्रोसेस में है. क्या है? कभी खाना पकता है ना तो स्टार्टिंग में कच्चा रहता है, लेकिन अगर वो रहेगा आग के नीचे तो थोड़े टाइम के बाद वो पक्का हो जाएगा. अभी एक कच्चा क्यों है, आग में रखा है, अभी क्यों नहीं पक रहा है, अभी क्यों नहीं पक रहा है? इट विल टेक सम टाइम. आपको धैर्य रखना पड़ेगा. क्या रखना पड़ेगा? और गाड़ी में बैठे रहना पड़ेगा. उत्साह, निश्चय, धैर्य. अभी इन लोग सब एग्जाम देके आए ना, सब लोग भक्ति शास्त्री वाले. उत्साह, निश्चय, धैर्य, तत् कर्म प्रवर्तना, संग त्याग, सतोवृत्ति, षड्भिर भक्ति, अतिहार, प्रयासश्च, प्रजल्प, नियमाग्रह, जनसंगस्य लौल्यम, षड्भिर भक्ति विनश्यति. ददाति प्रतिगृह्णाति, गुह्यम आख्यम पुच्छति, भुंजते भोजते चैव, षड्विधि प्रीति लक्षण. So these are some of the rules which our acharyas have given, and we have to be patient. Patient and patient. Things will turn in due course of time. Prabhupada had that patient. He was in a pathetic condition, but he never left seva. Why, Lord, you are not giving me money? Why, Lord, you are not giving me, facilities? Why you are testing me so much? He never put that question to the Lord, anytime. Why you are giving me failures? Not 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. 12 years of failures in his life. So things will come. We have to stick to the due course of time. And as the maturity comes, things will change. Yes.
We have two instances where Mahaprabhu picked up the Sudarshan to
Sudarshan. One is to hit Jagai Madai.
soldiers were beating up Haridas.
Yes, that time also Lord took up.
Now that form was most munificent, benevolent,
Yes.
but still even at that time Lord was
भक्तों के पर जब पीड़ा पड़ती है ना, तो भगवान अपने आप को धारण नहीं कर सकते. He cannot tolerate, because devotees are the heart of the Lord. And Lord showed that in that लीला कि लॉर्ड भगवान को आके लात मार के गए सोते सोते, मगर भगवान को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा. हाँ, भृगु मुनि, हाँ नहीं, भृगु आए थे, लात मार के गए, उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा, उल्टा उनका मसाज किया. But when it comes to the devotee, for the devotee, Lord cannot hold on. And that's why it is said, भगवान अपना अपराध सहन कर लेते, लेकिन भक्तों का अपराध सहन नहीं करते. And that's why it is the nature of the Lord that it cannot stand whenever the devotees are in problem. But since the devotees are such a way that when they pray, then Lord is bounded. Nityanand Mahaprabhu came and saved Jagai Madai. Right? Because this is the role which we have to play. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare. Now I will be asking you a question. Which is the most important part and lesson that you liked in today's Mahaprakash Leela?
so all the devotees, Kolavachakri, Mukunda, all the devotees, they are, Lord was offering them some benediction,
Some benediction.
but
They were not ready to take anything. So this is the quality of a Shuddha Bhakta. हाँ हाँ, वो इतना गरीब था, but Lord was seeing him in very highest position, right? And the bhav of the devotee, what should be the bhav of a? आज वृंदावन दास ठाकुर के डिसअपियरेंस डे है, तिरुभाव दिवस. And that day we are taking this Leela. And why we are taking this Leela? Because the cust is what? What should be the mood of a devotee? What should be the devotee? That is what we learn from this Mahaprakash Leela. What else we learn?
Prabhuji, the story where the pot is the Sukhi.
Sukhi, Dukhi. Ashirwad diya. From today you will be, and the mercy of the Lord flowed immediately with the bhakti. Ha, on your own effort, kripa.
Material possessions will not make us happy.
Yes, material position will not make you happy, and two things are there: your sadhana and kripa. Without kripa, your bhakti will not be complete. By becoming dasanu das. That is the only way which all our acharyas have showed. Whether it is Kolavecha, whether it is Murari, whether it is Haridas Thakur, whether it is Mukund Datta, they all are aspiring for only one thing. What? Dasananda.
Prabhuji, in the second chapter, 64 sloka, Krishna is saying, Rag, Dvesha, Vimukta, one can obtain complete mercy.
हाँ,
How can you explain?
राग और द्वेष ये जो स्तर है ये शुद्ध सत्वगुण का स्तर है. कौन सा? ये सतोगुण का भी स्तर नहीं है, रजोगुण का भी स्तर नहीं है और तमोगुण का भी स्तर नहीं है. और शुद्ध सतोगुण का स्तर तभी आपको प्राप्त होगा जब आप शुद्ध सत्वगुण भक्तों के साथ में रहोगे. किसके साथ? और वहीं फिर आ जाता है, उनके साथ में रह के आपको उनके दासानु दास बनना पड़ेगा. तब उनका आशीर्वाद से उनका क्वालिटी आप में आ जाएगा. ओके? और कुछ पॉइंट? एनी अदर पॉइंट विच यू लाइक?
We should donate some amount.
हाँ?
On our income.
50% वो दे रहा था गंगा जी को. नहीं, व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, ही वाज डोनेटिंग 50%. भिखारी था तो भी 50% दे रहा था. और एवरी डे विदाउट फेल. हाँ? हाँ. What else? What are the other rules? Yes.
just an observation. See, Mahaprabhu used to perform the kirtan at night.
Yes.
To waste time.
Why to waste time? और हमारे को दिन में भी कीर्तन में नींद आता है.
Prabhuji, दिन में थोड़ा chanting करो और जैसा भागवतम जाओ तो निद्रा देवी आती है.
See the intensity of that Parshadas. That they were saying, why to waste time in night? We are doing every day kirtan. Huh? So the level of the bhava they were in, doing kirtan. So that's why when we listen to all this Mahaprabhu's Leela, we understand what is our position. आपका position कहाँ है? आप भक्ति में कहाँ हो? आप लोग कहाँ हो? आपको मालूम है ना? हाँ? एंड समटाइम हम लोग तिलक लगाते, कंठी माला लगाते, एंड वी थिंक अरे हम लोग डिवोटीज हो गया है, दीक्षा हो गई है. अरे कुछ हुआ नहीं अभी तक. नहीं, हमको मेरा पोजीशन मालूम है. मैंने yesterday I was telling to Daya Murari Prabhu, actually from last many days I was listening, I was feeling so happy. And I knew that in Prithivardhan lecture 10-15 लोग ही आएंगे. मैं बोला कल कोई भी नहीं आएगा, लेकिन I will be speaking this katha empty wall for myself. Because I will be getting something. But I am happy that everybody came. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, So we can wind up. Hari Bol. Thank you very much, Prabhu.